Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Did you know you can transfer Steam games between PCs without downloading them again? It's super simple. Let me show you how to set up and use Steam's local game transfer feature. First of all, ensure local transfers are enabled. Open Steam and go to the settings menu. Then in the settings menu, click downloads on the left sidebar. Look for game file transfer over local network and make sure it's toggled on. If you are transferring games to another Steam account, make sure to adjust the permissions. Change the option from only me to Steam friends or anyone. Depending on your preferences, don't forget to enable this setting on all PCs involved. Now, on the target PC, select the game in your library and click Install. If you have multiple Steam library folders, choose the installation location first. Now head to the Downloads section in Steam. You will see a message saying the game is being transferred locally. No need to pick a specific source PC, Steam handles it automatically. If the source PC disconnects, Steam will switch to downloading from the internet seamlessly. And that's it, you have successfully transferred your game locally, saving time and bandwidth. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.